Welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video we'll learn how we can create this HTML form, this registration HTML form in HTML5. Here we have these fields: name, date of birth, password, gender, class and address. After that I have again added one checkbox to accept the term and conditions, and I have added two buttons. One is reset, one is submit. First let's fill up the form. Suppose name is XYZ, date of birth I am selecting any date from the calendar, password 123456, gender male, class 7 only, address Guwahati. So I have written this information in the form. Now accepted the term also. When I'll click submit, you see it will go to the registration page here. But as I have not made the registration page yet, so I'll see this error message that file not found. And here you can see, here I can see that n equal xyz. Let's copy it to Notepad and you can see it more nicely. So here you can see registration.html n equal xyz. Oh, n two time again, n equal means date of birth also I have not changed the name. So whatever equal these things is given. This is what, because I have kept the information method as post. So here you can see when I have created the form, here I have written as method get. If I make it post, then see what will be the difference. Save. Now go to the browser, or here also we can do run debugging. So this is our form. Here you can see if I put some information here and select, I have selected that any date, password and submit. So as my method is post, now I can't see any information along with the URL, but if I put the method as get, I can see the information. And see what is the use of reset button. As I have typed the name and date, if I click on reset button, everything will be clear. So let's today learn how we can make this registration form in our HTML web page. So first of all, I have created this form using VS Code. You can also do it by using Notepad or Sublime or any other application. First we'll create an HTML file. For that we'll go to file, new file, then select a language. We can select HTML. Then we'll save the file save as. We'll select the location as desktop only. Suppose my form name I am taking as reg.html. So my page name is registration reg.html. Now the first line will be doc type HTML. Then second line HTML. Third line head. Fourth line title. Title will be registration form. And after that I will come out from the head. Now here I'll write body, then we'll write here h1, then center, registration form. So this much I have added. Now I'll go to the next line. Here I will write form, form, because it is the main tag to create a form. Then we'll write the method. Let's the method to be get, form method get. Action means where I will send the data. I'll send the data, suppose data form on data page, data.html. Then name of the form, as my form is collecting registration information, so registration. Then bracket close, and form will be automatically closed here. Now first I will have to write, and suppose I will group the information in the form in a box. So for that reason I will write field set, FIELD SET, field set. This tag will group all the information, all the elements whatever I create in there, button and all, in a group. Now let's go to the output of our previous code. See here, this is our text box, and this one is label or just normal text. This one is date, input type date. This one is password. This one is radio box. This one is checkbox. This one is multiple select options tag, and this one is text area where I can input more line of text. This one is checkbox, and these two are buttons. And this line you can see, this one is as the border. This border is known as field set. Now let's go to the code. The first line is name. After name I have created a text box, and the name tag, the text box is just the next line, so I will put BR. Then input type will be text, and we'll keep one name equal, suppose name only, name, and we'll put also a placeholder. What it do, let's go to the output. Here you can see your name. That helping text we can display on the text box by using placeholder. So placeholder equal your name, then close the bracket, again BR. Next we'll have to write date of birth, name, then what we have, date of birth. Let's go here and see. We have date of birth, then password. So we'll write DOB, then BR. Here we'll create input type date. Here we have these options: date time, local. Date, it will collect only the date time it will also collect the time, and date time local, it will collect the local time. So input type date, name, we'll keep the name as DOB, then close bracket. We can also keep placeholder here, placeholder DOB, then BR. After that we have password option, so password, then BR, then input type, will be here password, then name, suppose pass, then placeholder password, then close bracket, again BR, After password we have these options, I think gender. Let's see the form. I have option as gender, and we have to create the radio button. So gender, here we'll write input type radio, name will write as male, m, value equal m, and after the input box we'll write here male. Then one more input box we need, so input type radio, then name, this one name is female, so f, value also f. Close, then female. Let's see what happened to our form. First save the form, Ctrl S, or you can also go file save, then we'll run start debugging, and we'll select our browser, suppose Edge. So this will be our output till now: name box, date of birth, password and gender. After that we need class and address. So for writing the class, first we'll put br to go to the next line. Now we'll write here class, then here select name class. Now option value, suppose it's 6, then SIX, again option value seven, and here we'll write 7. One more option, 8 also will add, so option value 8. After this one, after the select tag, after creating all the options, we'll add one more field, that one is address. First we'll add a br tag here. Br tag will create a new line. Now we'll have to write create a big text box, so that we'll write here first address, and here we'll make the text box. First we'll put br tag here, so text area, name, suppose this is ADDR, placeholder, your address, and rows means how many number of line. Suppose 3 line I want, 3 calls, width of the form, suppose I'll take it as 25 columns, then text area close. Now let's save the page and see what will be the output. Now we'll run, start debugging. So till here we have done name, date of birth, password, gender, class and address. Now we need two buttons. To create the button, we'll write here button. Oh sorry, we need a checkbox also to accept the term and condition. So here first we'll write input type, it is checkbox. And we'll also write here as a name, suppose for term and condition, so T and C, and value no need, it will come accept automatically, and selected means checked means the checkbook will be automatically ticked. And here also suppose I want to, in options I want to select the 7 by default, so here we can write selected. So suppose till this one done, then here I'll write I accept the terms and conditions. So done, save. Let's go to the browser. Our page was registration, so we'll cut it index, in place of that write reg. So this is our form, and you can see that checkbox came below, just along with the address box. Suppose I want in next line, so what we will do, after text area we'll write BR. Now save the page and you see what happened. It came in next line. Now we have to create two buttons, and suppose I want a button outside of the border, then outside of fill set we can write button type. In type we can select this button, menu, reset, submit. First we'll make reset button, so type reset, name, reset, then bracket close and reset. One more button we'll need for submit, so button type, this type will be submit, and name suppose submit only, then here submit and save. Let's see. So you can see the button came just below the border. If I want with the border, then what we'll do, that close fill set tag will add after the button, after the button tag. Now you see the output. So here it came. Now the button comes after term and condition because I have not added BR tag here, that's why. So let's add BR and refresh the command, refresh the page in browser. First save, then go to the browser and refresh. Something is wrong. or BR. I have not written BR properly, so BR. Now go here and select. So like this way we can create a HTML form by using HTML5. Here we can also set a validation. Suppose if the user forget to write name or password, then some error message should be displayed. This we can do by using validation command. That one we will learn in next class. First let's see, enter the information to the form, name XYZ, date of birth, any date from here, password QWERTY, gender male, class 6, address something XYZ, then Y just something, and accept and submit. So it will go to data form, and again in data form you see this URL. I'll show the command in notepad. This is our URL, and here you see name equal XYZ, date of birth this one, password this one, then M equal M, this all, address equal this one, and term and condition on, means selected mean on. If I untick this term and condition, it will come as off. Let's untick the information, go to the previous page, untick term and condition, and go to here. Let's copy it, here you see term and condition equal off, where class, address, and term and condition is not here only, means the value will remain null. So this way we can do it. And in the form, let's put the method as post and see the difference. Here method in place of get will write post, and in gender it will be G, so this will be the form. Let's input some information here now. Suppose password is, and submit. Now you see the URL, there is no data, means when we keep the form method as post, the information is hidden. But if we write the method as get, we can see the information on the URL. When we want to make some queries on the page, then we'll put the method as get, otherwise it post. So, and see the use of reset button, as I have entered some information here, suppose this and this. I want to clear the form, I want to remove all the data from the form, then just click on reset. All the information will be removed from there. Now suppose I want to add a background color to the page, so we'll go to here, and inside the body command we can write background color or BG color equal. So BG color equal, suppose pink or light pink. Save and go here, reload the page. So this way we can color the page. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.